Hi, this is Jamie for GearBest. I have this new arriving Homtom H10 with me here. Another sample from our supplier, so I don't have the box with me, but the retail version of this product comes with a box, of course, that contains the phone itself here, the SIM pin, US cable, and the socket. So let's take a look at its back first here. The effect here shares similarity to some other phones pretty obviously, but it's still kind of very pretty, as you can see it here. Rear camera right here, 16+2 megapixel dual rear camera. At the front, trendy notch again here. Let me unlock this. The notch again, and a 8 megapixel front camera right here. A 5.85-inch screen. Hardly bezel-less, but it doesn't take much spaces with the bezel here. So inside, 4 gigs of RAM plus 64 gigs of storage, which can be expanded with a TF card to up to 128 gigs extra. With the latest Android 8.1 system powered by MediaTek Octa core clocking in at 1.5 GHz. 3500 milliamps of battery, above the average, so I'm gonna go with it. This is not bad. So as you might notice, I didn't really mention much about the phone itself, but overall, Homtom did give in some effort on this H10. Most of the specs are very well balanced out, meets the daily need that you necessarily have for all your smartphones. Given its price at around 150 bucks, I think it's really great bargain that Homtom is providing with us. So that's it for Homtom H10. Like and subscribe to our channel. This is Jamie. I'll see you next time.